It's an incredible technology for creatives. It's not here to replace people, but it's here to really empower them to be kind of like their Copilot as they create content. So technology will never replace human creativity. And that's where we believe on the creative intelligence paired with the artificial intelligence for that creative output to be at a level and quality that it's fully automated.
I'm joined by Adriana Rubio from Code Theory. Could you share a little bit about your background and why you're here at this event?
This is actually my 12th summit. I've been in the Adobe industry for quite a bit. I am always excited for the innovation that they bring to our world, for marketing, for what it means for not only marketing, but really enterprise reinvention through the power of technology. For the first time sponsoring Adobe Summit, coming big as a diamond sponsor. We are a creative and technology company, and I really think that sends a very strong message to this industry where we believe everything starts with the creative in mind, with the end consumer in mind, and then you work from there.
Have you seen a major change this year in terms of the capabilities that all these technologies can provide in terms of both the creative quality and the sheer amount of output that you can get out of platforms and technologies?
Not that AI is new, right? We've been working in AI for decades, but the statement that came out about 2.5 years, almost 3 years now, around generative AI and the power of really content creation at scale, what Adobe presented us today during the keynote, when you think about having dedicated agents, AI agents doing the work that sometimes it's highly operational, and we really need to embrace this new technology and be creative about how we embrace this technology. It doesn't necessarily come with a playbook. Every organization is adopting it in different ways. It's not just at the use case, it's really looking at it holistically for the organization, not necessarily just at the capability or the function level or the use case level.
I was surprised that there was a lot of emphasis around the quality of the creative output.
It's an incredible technology for creatives. It's not here to replace people, but it's here to really empower them to be kind of like their Copilot as they create content. So technology will never replace human creativity. And that's where we believe on the creative intelligence paired with the artificial intelligence for that creative output to be at a level and quality that it's fully automated. I think the human aspect of that generative AI creative content still has ways to go to improve and have good quality outputs. It's definitely saving us a lot of time. Still, we still need human in the loop, I would say.
As you see these capabilities unfold that are pretty much available for all brands, how are brands going to be differentiating themselves when these capabilities are widespread and everybody has them?
It's not about scaling content for the sake of scaling content. I think it's always been about the brand, but it has been a misconception, I would say, over the last few years of thinking that technology can do it all. And we're forgetting a little bit about that. But we're here to bring that statement back. And that's what I was saying before. Creative intelligence meets artificial intelligence.
Would you have any advice to creatives that are in organizations and are exploring the adoption, the challenges that this may bring?
Embrace it. This technology is here to stay. Learn, test it. Again, it's about human and machine. How is machine complementing my creativity, and how is machine really empowering my creativity and scaling my creativity? So I would say, don't be scared. Use it, embrace it, and test it as much as you can.